My name's Pieter Vreugdenhil. We built the shed with the intention of doing a little bit of contracting here on lifestyle blocks. And when we sold the farm, we'd kept a lot of the gear, so now it needs a home to to sit under. One of the key features was to have no roosting areas for birds, because they're a real pain at home. Just a good solid shed. The reason behind that was making sure we can get at least 2 implements side by side in, and the other key one was actually having to being able to put the mower inside, because you can't put them in a lot of sheds with it laying flat, which is the only way you can leave them. You guys were the only ones I rang. I'd looked at 1 or 2 of the other ones. This is a second Alpine shed we've built. The first one was done by builders, my brother-in-law and father-in-law actually, and yeah, I was just happy the way it all went, so yeah, we thought we'd do it again. Yeah, the whole process has been really simple. I didn't want to be mucking around trying to build it myself. They were good, very efficient, very professional. I'd come out here every now and then and try and have a yarn with them, and yeah, they were just keen to get on with the job. Yeah, whenever I looked out, they were always doing something. They looked as though they knew what they were doing. Well, they did know what they were doing. It didn't just look like it. Yeah, I'm just absolutely stoked with the finished product.